Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Saturday, January 17th. Anyway, finished up at work. Thought I'd go for a ride. It's a lot cooler today. I think it's only, what, 63, so it was like 77 on Thursday. And I'm dressed for it today. I got my mesh pants on with some wind pants underneath and my mesh jacket, but I got like a liner, a fleece liner underneath, so it's not too bad. But anyway, I'm thinking the clouds are kind of burning off. Hopefully it's all coming this way, because it was pretty dark that way. But anyway, I decided to go for a ride. Don't know what I'm doing, but I got the Hero 5 black on here again. The Hero 4 silver is at home. This one seems to be a lot more stable. It doesn't bounce and jerky as much for some reason. I'll lean back so you can see I got it down a little bit lower so I see a little bit more of the bike instead of the open air. I don't know if that'll help. Oh, it is going to be clearing up. That's going to be awesome. I'm going to go try and there's some windmills way up here like in Lampasas that I drove by a while ago, and I don't remember where they were, but I got the drone with me, so if it clears up, it might be kind of cool to go fly near those windmills and get a close-up of them. I know you guys don't like my drone videos, but I like the videos just because they look kind of cool. Anyway, well, hello there again, YouTube. It actually got really nice out now. The clouds moved away. I think it's a 72. I'm a little overdressed now. Not hot, but it's pretty nice out now. I was looking for those windmills. I don't remember where I found them. I thought it was out there somewhere, but haven't found them. It'd be pretty cool. You can get really close to them because even they come right by the road on them. But I didn't see any, so who knows where I'm headed now. Bye.